Cafe Microwave Model CVM517P4RW2 Error Codes. Nothing about your personal style is standard. So why should your appliances be? Created for those who want to reflect their true style in every room of their home, Cafe is distinct by design. Choose between two bold collections. The customizable Professional Collection boasts a distinct line of hardware options. Backed by show-stopping features, every Cafe appliance gives you the form and the function you've been craving. Error codes. Code F1. Problem: open thermal sensor, due to excessive heat in microwave cavity. Code F2. Problem: shorted thermal sensor. Code F3. Problem: shorted touchpad panel. Code F4. Problem: open humidity sensor. Code F5. Problem: shorted humidity sensor. Code F6. Problem: shorted temperature probe. Code F10. Problem: shorted touchscreen. Code probe. Problem: open temperature probe or the probe is not plugged in during a temp cook function. Make sure probe is firmly inserted into the wall of microwave and the food item. Code 888, 8888 or PF. Problem: it is possible to see this display upon initial installation or after power was restored due to a power failure. This display can be cancelled and normal operation resumed by touching the clear pad. The clock can be reset on models so equipped. Code 18 Power Watch Code. Problem: indication of an issue with the electronic control in the microwave.